Have you ever tried to make fried eggs only to have them turn out crunchy, flaky, dry, not cooked all the way through, just a failure? I used to as well until I found out the best way to make them that I know how. And I want to teach that to you today. These are the things that you will need: a pan with a lid, some butter, and obviously some eggs. First step, get some butter. Put the butter in the pan. Turn your burner on. And put your pan on there for the butter to melt. So my butter melted, and I'm just turning it turning it around in here, getting the bottom completely covered. Normally I'm doing this with my left hand. I'm holding the pan, but I do it over by the sink so the eggs don't make a mess anywhere. Let me show you how to crack this egg with one hand. Got it like that. Boom. Boom. Now here's a step people don't do usually. If you do it quick, you won't have any problem with the pan being too hot. So breaking up the yolks, it just makes it cook so much better, and you don't have it runny or whatever. It just flattens it out. It doesn't hurt, like I said. So you're going to want to go ahead and turn down your heat. As you can see, this is what the flame looks like on mine right now. Okay, and on mine it's number 3. So what I guess medium low would be the heat. Go ahead, put it directly in the center. Okay, and then you're going to put your lid on. And set a timer for 6 minutes. All right, now it could be a little different as if you're doing more or less eggs. It might take a little bit more time. Sometimes when I'm doing one, I might set it for 4 minutes. More eggs, you're going to just basically check and see, and you'll see when it's done. Okay, so we have 2 minutes left to go. Look at that, they're already cooking through. And I have a plate and a spatula here on standby. When they're done, I can just go ahead and move those over. All right, timer just went off. Let's take a look. Turn the burner off. Check those eggs out. Looking good. That's what they look like with this method. It really just depends. Sometimes you'll have a little bit of a brown edge on there, but not always. That part, I don't know. I could do it exactly the same every time, and that might vary, but look, you have this cooked all the way through. I'll just show you. Look at that. Cooked all the way through. It's going to be great. It's going to be fantastic, and that's all you need to do. There's really nothing more to it. All right, so there you have it. You have perfectly cooked fried eggs. You didn't have to watch them forever. I mean, I did because I was making a video, but you could just pretty much set the timer and forget it. Now, of course, you're going to have to kind of experiment with yours. The 6 minutes is a rule of thumb. You could basically check after 4 just to see if your settings are different, or sometimes cooking with electric is different. So yeah, but you will find a way to make these in a way that is going to satisfy you. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you can have a wonderful breakfast too. Bye.